crimes under Duterte. Finally, there is suddenly accountability. Finally, there is an end to a culture of impunity, a culture that killed us.
Pili lamang, walang sino man ang namamatay para sa sarili lamang. Tayong lahat ay may pananagutan sa isa't isa. Tayong lahat ay tinipon ng Diyos na kapiling niya. Yan po ang awit na nagbuklod sa mga pamilya ng biktima at sa mga advocates.
For the victims of the drug war of Duterte. I come here because I speak from my heart when I say that I am here because of Sara Alvarez. I am here because of Councilor Toto Patigas. I am here because of Attorney Benjamin Ramos. I am here because of the Tumandoks who were killed in the police raid. I am here because of Emmanuel Asuncion, of Chay Limita, and all those who were killed in Southern Tagalog police raids. I am here.
And we'll welcome it. We demanded it. Dinala natin ito sa korteng ito, ipinaglaban natin na dinggin ito sa korteng ito. At ito po ang ating panata. Patuloy nating dadalhin sa kahit saang korte na may jurisdiksyon ang mamamayang Pilipino para panugitin ang lahat ng berdugong sangkot sa pagpaslang sa lahat ng mamamayang Pilipino. And this call for justice and accountability is bigger than Duterte. It goes far and beyond the expected 10-year trial proceedings at the ICC. Duterte is a product of a system we call bureaucrat capitalism. It is the rotting structure of a semi-feudal, semi-colonial state where those in power use the government not to serve the people, but to serve themselves and their foreign masters. It is beyond Duterte because it is a system that every administration that survived every administration. It survived Marcos Sr. It will outlast Duterte and even the current Marcos Jr. administration if we do not dismantle it. Ito ang sistemang nagpapalaki ng mga bulok na politiko at kanilang dinastiya. This is the system that breeds corrupt politicians who treat public office as personal property. It is the same system that makes mercenaries out of police and military. The police and military are not instruments of justice, but they are instruments of repression. It is the system where any head of state, sino man ang pumilit, ay mangunguna sa korupsyon at impunidad.